Hello and welcome, my name's Callum from the Volkswagen Van Centre in Liverpool, and today I'm going to be taking you around this vehicle. This is the Volkswagen Transporter T28 Highline SWB. It's a 73 plate and comes finished in the stunning Ascot grey paintwork. It is a diesel model with the manual transmission offering 110 PS. Taking a look at some of your exterior features, of which there are plenty. On the front you'll find automatic headlights providing excellent visibility, and you don't need to touch them as the car will figure everything out for you. You've also got electrically folding and heated door mirrors, fantastic for keeping the frost at bay in the winter, and on the front and rear you'll find parking sensors giving you an audible noise when close to obstructions. It comes with the barn style rear doors offering ample space inside, and you'll also find lashing rings for load restraints and LED ambient lighting. It even boasts the sliding side door as well for easy access. Making our way into the front, on the door card you'll find the electric window controls and the door mirrors, lighting behind the steering wheel as well as your wipers, and you've got the lovely cloth upholstery here, with the armrests available as well for the driver on both sides. On the steering wheel you'll find your cruise control and speed limiter functions, as well as the volume on the left, and on the right you have your next and back buttons. You do also have the controls for the digital screen on the cockpit. Your main media system itself comes with plenty of options, including AM, FM and DAB digital radio, offering stations from across the country, as well as USB, SD card and Bluetooth audio for your own personal streaming. You can also use that Bluetooth for hands-free calling when on the go. Fantastic if you are driving, you can answer and take incoming calls. It's also got the App Connect function, so you can connect to the system via USB for smartphone integration to use apps such as navigation through the screen. The front and rear parking sensors do also provide a diagram, so you can see exactly where any obstructions may be whilst manoeuvring. Moving down from here you have your climate controls, which are nice and simple to use, with the temperature in the left and the speed there in the centre. 5-speed and manual gear stick just behind that, and to the left you'll find a 12V with your 2 USB connectors as well as a cup holder. For more information visit the Swan28 Motor Group website or give our friendly team a call on 01515 152 911. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you soon.